Welcome back to the channel. We are in Oberstaufen in southern Germany, right on the Alps. We're going to hike to a waterfall, and yeah, we're just walking through just the gorgeous Alps. Lush, beautiful. Should be able to hear a waterfall. Let's get moving. So the waterfall we're going to is the Buchenegger Waterfall near Oberstaufen. Whew. The trail is a mix of forest, wide open Alpine, and some big hills. Be ready for that. What are we? 3 kilometers out of 5, so we're over halfway technically. Over halfway. Talk about high alpine field up here. Not a tree for hundreds of meters. All right, update. We've been going for 51 minutes. Google says another, what did I say, 20? About 5.5 kilometers. Gorgeous walk so far. Most of it's paved, just on back roads. Pretty good so far. All right, we've started the last quarter mile down the trail. Nice and shaded. There is a water fountain at the trailhead for the last portion. We're about to see the waterfall. Oh yeah, you can totally, oh, we're gonna have to walk up this hill, aren't we? Well, we made it. Here's the view. It's also busy, but yeah, apparently people are just going swimming down there. I love it. All right, we're done. We're heading back. What'd we learn, baby? Steep as shit. Steep? The water's cold. People are jumping in. Be careful with all the wet rocks, and I mean, just look how steep this is. Now we gotta go a kilometer up this thing. All right, we made it to the waterfall. We are walking back. What'd we learn? Walk from town. Don't park in the parking lot because parking's not allowed, and the Ordnungsamt, the parking lady, will get you. It's hilly. Bring the sunscreen, hot hat, water, and most importantly, have fun. Choose like and subscribe. Smash that button.